Hi everyone. In the last class, we have seen the different classes of antidepressant. In that, mainly we have seen barbiturates, benzodiazepine, and I think we have seen up to the different classes of benzodiazepine. That is, in the last class was ultra short acting benzodiazepine. Up to that, we have completed. Also, we have seen the synthesis of barbiturate and also synthesis of diazepam. Now, today we will start pyrazolile pyrimidine, and then we will complete carbamic acid esters. These two topics we will complete in this lecture today. Okay. So let's see. First of all, pyrazolile pyrimidine. Pyrazolile pyrimidine contains zolpidem. In that, we will see the structure of zolpidem, and then we will see the carbamic acid ester. The carbamic acid ester mainly contains mepobromate, and then chlorhydrate and paraldehyde. So we will see first pyrazolile pyrimidine. So pyrazolile pyrimidine. In this pyrazolile pyrimidine, first of all, we will see zolpidem. So let's see the structure of zolpidem. The structure is first of all 5-membered, then 6-membered ring, then benzene ring. You have to remember it contains one 5-membered ring and one 6-membered ring. Mainly as a structural scaffold. It contains cyanide also, CN here. Okay. Again, this benzene ring contains double bond down CH3. What it is called? Functional group amide, and it will also contain one ethyl group. So this is phenyl ring. Now we will see the different groups present. What are they? First one is cyanide group. This is very important. What is that? Cyanide group. Cyanide group present in the structure of zolpidem. This is important for the GPAT purpose. This is phenyl ring. Yes, and this is, you have to remember that one. This is called amide. Amide functional group. Okay. This is called amide functional group. Now see the IUPAC name. Before going to IUPAC name, first of all, we will see the naming. So naming will start from according to OSNP. OSNP. First one O, then S, then N, then P. This is the priority for IUPAC naming. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, start the phenyl name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the chemical name will be, we will write here. Okay. So the chemical name will be N3 cyano pyrazolile. N3,3 cyanopyrazolile pyrimidine 7 while, then bracket complete, then phenyl, then second bracket complete, then again N ethyl acetamide. Am I clear? See, N, this cyanide is connected to this one. So N, this connected. First, this is 3 cyanopyrazolile. 3 cyanopyrazolile. Then pyrimidine. This one is pyrimidine. Then 7 yl. 7 yl. Then phenyl. This is phenyl. Then N ethyl acetamide. So this is acetamide. Here it is amide functional group. Amide functional group. So N 3 cyano pyrazolyl pyrimidine 7 yl phenyl N ethyl N ethyl acetamide. Am I clear? Next, second compound that is very important is meprobromate. So the plan is completed. Next is meprobromate. It is very important. You have to remember for GPAT purpose. Number 2 is meprobromate. This is very important. You have to remember one thing, that this name indicates 8 in the end. This 8 means 8 indicates ester. This 8 indicates ester. So that means there should be some ester functional group in the chemical structure. So let's see the structure. Structure of meprobromate, CH3, then CH2, then CH2, then CH3, then CH2, then CH, single bond O, single bond C double bond O, single bond NH2. Now this CH 1, 2, 3, 4, CH2 here, and this CH2 is connected to O, C double bond O, single bond NH2. What does it mean? It means that these two functional group are called carbamate. These two functional group are called carbamate. That's why it is called carbamic acid ester. Oh shit, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is not pyrazolyl pyrimidine. Now we are studying about carbamic acid ester. This is carbamic acid ester, and the name of the carbamic acid ester is meprobamate. Okay, so these two are the carbamates group. Okay, so these are the functional group. You have to write these two are functional group. What are they called? They are called carbamate. Okay, this is very important. You have to remember that. Now let's break the structure. In this, first of all, you will see this is the parent chain. This is the parent chain. Okay, here you will see one methyl group. One methyl group. This is parent chain. And here you will see that these are the functional group. What is the IUPAC name of the that functional group? That is called amino carboxy carbonyloxy. Amino carbo wait. Amino carbonyloxy methyl. It is called amino carbonyloxy methyl. What will be the IUPAC name? The IUPAC name will be C. Let's start the numbering. Numbering will start from this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again here 1, 2. Two functional groups. Two functional group means what we will put? 2 amino at second position. 2 amino carbonyl oxy methyl 2 amino carbonyl oxymethyl bracket complete. Next this one 2 methyl 2 methyl. Next how many carbons are there? 5 carbons. So 2 methyl pentyl carbamate. See 2 at second position this one. So 2 amino carbonyl oxymethyl. Next at second position 2 methyl pentyl then carbamate. Okay, so in parent chain how many carbons are there? 5 carbons are there. So after this you have to remember one thing in that that meprobamate contains 2 carbamate functional group. You have to remember that, and it contains 5 carbon containing chain. Okay, next we will see that chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate. In chloral hydrate, how many structure will be there? One structure. That chloral hydrate, see, number 3, chloral hydrate. Okay, it is not so common, but you have to remember. One thing you have to remember about chloral hydrate is that it is not used nowadays, but it was used 35 to 40, or you can say 40 to 50 years ago. Okay, and it contains halide and alcohol as functional group. What? Halide and alcohol as functional group. The structure will be like this. See, carbon, carbon, OH, chlorine, chlorine, OH, hydrogen, chlorine. So it contains 3 chlorine structure and 2 alcohol structure. Okay, so you have to write alkyl halide, alkyl halide, and these two are alcohol, alcohol as functional group. Now what will be the name? IUPAC name? It will be 2 comma 2 comma 2 trichloro 2 comma 2 comma 2 trichloroethane 1 comma 1 diol 2 2 2 trichloroethane 1 comma 1 diol. So 1 2. Okay. Next, the last compound we will see, that is peraldehyde. So peraldehyde is made up of 3 aldehyde. First of all, peraldehyde is made up of aldehyde. So let's see peraldehyde. Peraldehyde. Peraldehyde is made up of aldehyde. Now you have to remember that 3 molecules of aldehyde. Simply from this, if he asks anything, then he will be asking only how many molecules of aldehyde will give peraldehyde structure. So 3 molecules of aldehyde will give peraldehyde. Okay. And what are these 3 molecules? That is CH3, C double bond O, single bond H. 3 molecule of this ethanol. It is called ethanol. Okay. Now we will see the structure. The structure will be like this. See, first of all, CH3, CH3 connected to O. then it is connected to another CH3, connected to O, and it is connected to another CH3. So this, see in this is one aldehyde, this is another aldehyde, and that is another aldehyde. How many aldehyde? 3 aldehyde. Okay, so the chemical name will be 2,4,6 trimethyl 2,4,6 trimethyl trioxane. Trioxane means it is oxygen containing compound. So 2-methyl 2,4,6 trimethyl trioxane. Okay, in this how many members, or in this ring how many number of atom are present, or how many members? It is 6-membered ring. Okay, and it is saturated or unsaturated? Saturated or unsaturated? It is saturated. So from this, there is no double bond, so saturated. From this, he will ask only 3 questions. One is how many compound, so, or how many molecule? 3 molecule. Second, it is saturated or unsaturated? It is saturated. Next, it contains how many members? This ring contains 6 members. Okay. Up to this, antidepressant completed here. Next, we will see anti-epileptic agent in the next lecture. Okay.